Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to buy long token on Binance Alpha. As you know, long just get less on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you how in this video step by step. So first you can open your Binance apps, and then make sure you have signed in. After that you can go to your search box here in the top, then you can search long, search it, and go to Alpha tab here, and we will find the token. You can click it, and then as you can see, this is the chart. So as you know, from the chart perspective, it's not really good because it's quickly dump, and but maybe there is some opportunities, but this is not financial advice. You have to do your own research. So you can also check the details here. You can click info. You will find 24-hour high, low, and the volume. For the volume, it's not good because it's only 1 million. It's not good. And you can also check their website and their social media. Also you can check their audit here, you can read it, and if you want to buy it, you can just click right in the bottom, and you can choose limit order here. You can put the price you want to buy here like this, and the amount you want to buy. Also you can choose instant. Oops, there is notification, and you can swap your BNB or other token to long. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.